Introduction to Afterpay Developer API. The Afterpay Developer API is a powerful tool that enables merchants to integrate Afterpay payment options into their online stores. This guide provides a comprehensive overview of the API and its key features. Getting started with Afterpay API. To begin using the Afterpay API, merchants must first create an account and obtain an API key. This key is used to authenticate requests to the API and ensure secure communication. Merchants can then use the API to create payment tokens, process transactions, and retrieve order information. Key concepts and endpoints. The Afterpay API consists of several key endpoints, including the payment token endpoint, which generates a unique token for each transaction, and the order endpoint, which retrieves information about a specific order. Other endpoints include the payment endpoint, which processes payments, and the refund endpoint, which handles refunds. Processing transactions with Afterpay API. To process a transaction using the Afterpay API, merchants must first create a payment token by sending a request to the payment token endpoint. The token is then used to create an order, which is sent to the order endpoint. Once the order is created, the merchant can use the payment endpoint to process the payment. Best practices for using Afterpay API. To ensure a seamless integration with the Afterpay API, merchants should follow best practices such as handling errors and exceptions, implementing secure authentication, and testing the integration thoroughly. Merchants should also ensure that they comply with all relevant regulations and guidelines, such as those related to data security and consumer protection. Practical examples and use cases. The Afterpay API can be used in a variety of scenarios, including e-commerce websites, mobile applications, and point-of-sale systems. For example, an online retailer can use the API to offer Afterpay as a payment option at checkout, while a mobile app can use the API to process in-app purchases. Conclusion and next steps. In conclusion, the Afterpay Developer API is a powerful tool that enables merchants to offer Afterpay payment options to their customers. By following the guidelines and best practices outlined in this guide, merchants can ensure a seamless and secure integration with the API. To get started, merchants can visit the Afterpay Developer Portal to access the API documentation and start building their integration today.